Most of the React and Next applications speak single language, and if we want to add a multilingual support to it, we will have to add libraries like i18n, in which there is a lot of boilerplate. We will need to add JSON files for each language, then T functions and wrappers for everything. So today I have created a package with the help of LingoDev, which will automatically translate the complete web page within like with the help with few lines. So let's get started. Here's the package universal i18n React, which I have created. So we can simply install this with this command. I'll just go to a dummy project here, and I just need to install this package. I am working in PNPM, so I'll just use the PNPM version. Okay, so the library was already installed in this project. I'll just show you. Here is the package which we need. So this uses LingoDev to translate the entire page with mutation observer, which smartly replaces all the text on the web page with the translated version. So for that, first we will need the API key from LingoDev. We can get it from here, lingo.dev. So here we also get the free credits in, or if you want to test this thing out in your own application, we get free 10,000 credits, so which is very great. So next step is what? Next step, we will have to create, first you will just paste your env key, your lingodev key in the env. After that, you can you will have to create a route. Since this is a Next.js project, so we will have to create a API route which will protect our API key to from the browser end. So let's just create this API endpoint called universal i18n. Now this name is fixed, we will need to create the same name. So let's go to the API folder. I have this API folder right here. I'll just create a new folder with this name, and now I'll just create a route.ts file in this. Here we go. Okay, and now we can just paste these two codes, two lines. So now we just added these two lines into our project, and next step is that we just need to wrap our application with this translator provider. Okay, so for that I can create this in my component section, or I can directly even use this in my layout file. So let's just create a component folder for this, and I will just say I want to do this inside providers. Here we go. After that, we can create a file by the name. This name can be anything. I'll just use the same one. Okay, and we can just paste this code here. So essentially what it is doing, this is a TypeScript project, so I'll just add the types. So what it is doing, it takes the complete children's as prop, and it just wraps that with this auto translate provider. We have few params which we can pass it to it, and that is the source language in which our current application is in, English, and available languages, available locals. So here we have two options. One is that we can pass on all languages, all locales, or we can pass a string of array here, like whatever language we want. So we can add that too, and that's it. And now we just need to use this wrapper inside our layout file. Let's just use it here like that, and let's just import it. So before importing, before importing, I would like to show the website, current website. So this is the website right now. We don't have any support for multilingual in this as of now. This en is also static. I just added a component, select component here, which is static as of now. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just add the wrapper now. Okay, this is the wrapper, and okay, see, as soon as I added the wrapper, we will get a translation switch here. Here I can select the language, multiple language which are provided by LingoDev, and I can select any language from here, which will translate the complete application into that language. Let's say I want to change it to French. So complete website is translated into French. And let's say I want to change it to Hindi. So now right now it is translating the complete web page, and it will store cache this in my local storage. So right now this is working on CSR, client side rendering, and I'm planning to switch this to ISR or maybe SSR, so for better API hits. So now the complete page is converted to Hindi. As you can see, all the text on the website is converted to Hindi. And if you don't want this global like default one, you can initialize your own uh, your own language selector like this one. This is just a normal select, but you can customize it according to your own design, and you can change the language from here as well. I'll just show you what is the line of code for this one. This will be in our navbar. So this is the only code which we are using. I have created a select, and I'm just mapping over my available locales, which I can get from useAutoTranslate hook. So thank you for watching this video, and if you think that this library or this package will save your time, so please star this in my GitHub, and thank you for watching.